Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to show you how to transform your images into animations effortlessly using Leonardo.AI. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Leonardo.AI website and log in. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of tools available, including image generation, Realtime Canvas, Canvas Editor, Motion, Realtime Generation, and Universal Upscaler. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the Motion tool. Click on the Motion tool to get started. You'll see an option to select an image. We've already uploaded some images, but you can also load images from your image generation and community feeds. Community feeds feature images generated by other users. Navigate back to your uploads and select an image to animate. For this demo, I'll choose this stunning image of an African woman. You can upload a new image if you prefer. Once you've made your selection, click the Confirm button. Scroll down to find the Motion Strength bar. Use this bar to set the desired range of motion for your animation. The motion range determines how much movement will be added to the image. After setting the motion strength, click the Generate button. To monitor the live video generation status, click on the View Generation button. This will redirect you to a page where you can see the progress of your animation. The image to animation process may take a few moments, so please be patient. Once complete, you can view the final animation. The transformation is remarkable, with smooth and dynamic motion. The strength of motion is very good. You can also create image animated stories like this. Let's create another animation. I'll choose a different image this time. Let's create another animated video with new image. Currently, I am going to use this image for a new generation. After uploading it, I am selecting its motion strength and then clicking on the Generate button. So it started generating animation. It might take some time to generate it, so have some patience. Our second animation is ready. The image has been beautifully converted with added motion and expressions. Now, let's animate one last image. So this is the image that we are going to use for animation. I'll select it from my uploads, confirm, adjust the motion strength, and generate the animation. I am increasing my motion strength. Click on Image Generation to view the live status of the video. Once the process is finished, check out the final animated video. The results are impressive, with perfect motion and action. Now, you can use these animations to create captivating cartoon stories. Leonardo.AI makes it easy and fun to bring your images to life. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting updates. Thank you for watching and happy animating!